Now students, on page number 167, here are some cells. Look here. Here are book cells and these cells contain how many books? 5 books, and there are 4 shelves. Now look here. I have 20 books. I can keep 5 books in one. In one shelf, if I keep 5 books, then so how many shelves do I need in my almirah? Look here. So here is 5. If I have 20 books and if I want to keep these 20 books equally among 4 shelves, so each shelf will have how many books? 4. 4 shelves have 5 books. So 5 books in the first shelf. So 15 books are left. See, here is a 5 books. So how many? 15 books are left because 20 books were there. Again 5 if I keep in second shelf. So how many books left? 10 books left. If 5 more books in the third shelf, 5 books are left, and 5 more books in the fourth shelf, then 20 books have filled up in 4 shelves of the almari. So 20 books put in equal groups of 5 each in 4 shelves. So students, look here. Here is in one shelf it is 5, 2 shelf it is 10, in 3 shelves it is 15 books, in 4 shelves it is 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 5, total 20 books. So in each shelf equally distributed 20 books into 5 books. Now let's try this. Here are 20 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. There are 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28. So students, there are 28 buttons and a tailor puts 4 buttons on one shirt. Look here. How many shirts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 shirts and 28 buttons. So now there are 7 shirts with buttons. So 28 buttons will be, tailor wants to put 28 buttons in 7 shirts. So each shirt will contain how many buttons? 4 buttons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28. So 28 divided by 4 will get 7. If there are 28 buttons and a tailor puts 7 buttons on each shirt, there will be 4 shirts with buttons. So 28 divided by 7 is equal to 4 buttons. Now students, let's have some practice time. Minku puts her 15 laddus equally in 5 boxes. Here are 15 laddus and Minku want to put equally among these boxes. How many boxes? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how he will distribute equally among 5 boxes? So each box will have 3 laddus. 1, 2, 3, 15 divided by 5. Each box will have 3 laddus. How many laddus will be there in each box? There will be 3 laddus in each box. 15 divided by 5 equal to 3. If she uses only 3 boxes, how many laddus will there in each box? See, if she divides in 3 boxes instead of 5 boxes, if she has 3 boxes, and if he want to distribute equally these 15 laddus in 3 boxes, so each box will have how many laddus? So 15 divided by 3 will have 5 laddus in each box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So there will be 5 laddus in each box. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Now here are 25 bananas and we have to equally distribute among 5 monkeys. So each monkey will get how many bananas? So 25. If we divide it into 5 groups, each monkey will get 5 bananas. So students, can you see some colorful balloons on this page? So total how many balloons are there? There are 12 balloons. And how many boys are there? 3 boys. If we want to distribute equally among 3 boys, each boy will get how many balloons? Here 12. If we divide among 3 boys, each boy will get 4 balloons. So now students, here are some candles. Total 21 candles are there, and how many boxes are placed here? 1, 2 and 3. So we have to distribute these 21 candles in 3 boxes equally. So each box will have how many candles? Each box will have 7 candles. 21 divided by 3 will get 7. So each box will contain 7 candles. There are 7 candles in each box.